Hey guys, it's Des from T-Mobile. Today, we're introducing the new Motorola One 5G Ace. It's the newest addition to the 5G device lineup at T-Mobile. Let's check out its cool features, including its triple camera system and powerful 5000 mAh battery, and see what's inside the box. The new Moto One 5G Ace has a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display, and it takes advantage of T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. On the back, you'll see the 5G Ace's triple camera system and fingerprint sensor. The triple camera system features a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The Moto One 5G Ace features USB-C charging and has a powerful 5000 mAh battery. The Moto One 5G Ace runs on Android 10, has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 5G processor, and 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage with a micro SD card slot. Let's see what's inside the box. Here you've got the new Motorola One 5G Ace, quick start guide, T-Mobile SIM card, USB-C charging cable, and wall charger. The new Motorola One 5G Ace is now available at T-Mobile. You can check it out at tmobile.com or your favorite T-Mobile store. Now stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.